Alteration 101. It's a child's jacket and it's got this cuff and the cuff's too tight. The cuff's got to go. So when looking at the cuff, you realize it's attached there, and that's where it needs to come apart. So tools needed: first, your seam ripper. Without tearing the fabric, you need to find an in the stitching here. Unpicking the first few stitches is going to be the hardest, then it gets easier. So you slowly take it apart. Once you go through all the stitching, it'll look like this. This piece was sandwiched in between these two fabrics. All I need to do to finish would be to close this up like it was, without the cuff. The cuff was coming out like that, and stitch it all the way along. You can use hand sewing and just stitch it using a back stitch, a slip stitch, or you can use it on the machine. You can just sew this up on the machine like that, flat, and no longer will this jacket have a cuff. Now that the cuff's out, I'm going to turn the jacket inside out, the sleeves, and I'm going to sew the two parts together, so that will seal it up. All the raw edges are tucked away. This is going to be tricky and you're going to have to take it slow on the machine, so hand sewing will also work really well. It does move, so take it slowly. So it's all sealed. Tidy up the threads and you're done for the sleeve. Repeat for the other sleeve. and it's all done. Check out our other sewing, mending and alteration videos.